Now here in question 1, we are looking for union, the two data sets. I choose scoring and defense. The union returns every player who appears in either circle or elite scorers plus or elite defenders. With no duplicates, this includes players who only score, only defend, and those who do both. In SQL, this would be select player, then from scoring, then union select player, and from defense. Then you can see then the question 2 is about intersect the three data sets. The set of all three circles contain the player with the scoring or which scores 100%, 98%, and 95%. Elite in scoring, then playmaking and defense simultaneously. This is the intersection of all the three data sets, the rarest and the most complete player profile in diagram. As you can see, then you come to question 3, the except, the outlier, then the players who appear only in the scoring circle are in the outlier from the other two sets. They score at the 90th but are not elite playmakers and not elite defenders. In SQL, select player. From scoring, accept player, then player from, and playmaking, accept player. Player from defense. That is the question 3. Then 4, the inner join. The inner join across all three data sets returns only in players. In the head center, those who qualify in scoring, playmaking, and defense at the same time. Based on the diagram, the center player shows 100%, 98%, and 95% across the three categories. This is the most effective result. The fewest players. Then we go to, I'm going to be fast, then you go to question number 5, the left join. I choose scoring as the left table and defense has the right. Then the left join returns all the elite scorers plus only those defenders who are also elite scorers. Then you can see the players who only defend, they excluded, then the players who only score are kept. Then you come to 6, the right join, using the same two data sets. Right join returns all elite defenders plus only those scorers who are also elite defenders. Then the players who also score are now excluded. Then we see the players who only defend are kept. So we come to 7, the full join. A full join on scoring and defense returns every player from both circles combined. Pure scorers, pure defenders, and those who do both. On one is excluded from either set, and you can see, as you can see here. Then we come to 8, most interesting finding. This is required. The thing I learned is how few players appear in the center of all the three circles. The vast majority of elite, the NBA player, excel in only one or two categories. In SQL terms, that is select player from scoring, intersect select, and from playmaking. Then the intersect select player from the defense returns almost no on one, which tells us that true ways playmaking superstar are extremely rare, even among the league's best. So that is the first demonstration diagram. Okay. Okay, now here this is the Venn diagram which I've created. My topic is the types of movies. I've found 4 overlapping circles, each different color: red for action, blue for funny, yellow for true story, and green for twist editing. I choose movies that most people would recognize, so the overlaps are easy to understand. Now let me walk through what this diagram teaches us about SQL, starting with the outer section. Then movies that only belong to one circle, that is John Wick, is only action. And then that is the Superbad. The Superbad is only funny. And then April 13 is the true story. The others has only the twist ending. In SQL terms, those would be the results of accept operation. For example, action accepting funny, and then accept a true story. Then accept a twist gives you the John Wick alone. Now, the overlapping section, we can see the overlapping section. You can see the Bad Boys sits in the action and the funny overlap. It is both an action movie and a comedy, but it is not based on a true story, and it does not have a twist. In SQL, that is an intersect between action and funny. So the Knives Out sits in the funny, and the twist overlap. It is the comedy with the twist ending, but not really an action movie and not a true story. So Gone Girls is in the true story and twist overlap, based on the real events with a shocking twist. Then moving to the 3 ways overlap, you have the war dogs in action, funny, and a true story. Then when we see the true story, and then these are 3 ways they overlap, like an intersection across the 3 tables. Few results because more conditions must be met. And then you see now the most interesting part, the center of all the 4 circles. Catch Me If You Can is the only movie I placed in all the 4 categories, and it is the action-packed, genuinely funny, based on the true story of Franca Abigail, and it has the surprising twist ending. In the SQL, this is the equivalent of an inner join across all the 4 tables. The most restrictive result that only returns element matching even the single condition. So we can see here, the most interesting thing is that the diagram teaches me is that the most condition you add, the fewer results you get. Most movies are only great at 1 and 2 things. That is exactly how SQL join works. Every addition table you join narrows your result sets. Then you come to full join. You see, will give you every movie in all 4 circles, but the inner join across all of 4 gives you mostly nothing. Just catch me if you can, sitting in the center. So thank you for watching, and God bless you.